So who is this lady over here?
Well, greetings from Ghana. My name is Wavy Charles. I come to you via from the Virgin Islands and Dominica. This is my first trip to Ghana, and I have to say that I connected well because most of the people, the things that their culture and everything is something I can relate to, because in the Caribbean we actually do these things, the same food, the same dances, the music. You hear it in the music, you know, because we have soca, calypso, reggae. I hear it infused in the music right here in Africa. So I know that all these things that we've been doing for years is from Africa, and it originated from Africa. As far as the tour, I'm having a great time. From the very time we stepped onto these to the ground of Africa, you felt it. You felt the drum beat, you felt the people, everything coming together. And I think our journey from Accra all the way here to the Cape Coast and everything, I felt spiritually what my ancestors went through when they were taking from that end of the country to this end of the country before they were led on this in the Atlantic Ocean and we came to the Caribbean. For me, it's a spiritual journey. It's something that I have always dreamt of doing. And Bomani actually made it a reality for me. You know, of January, I just called him and I said, you know what, I am going, because it's been like 2-3 years I've been debating whether I should go. Peppy is the one that always called me and tell me, my sister, I want you to go with me and all of that. So I finally came. It is even more than what I expected, because we got to go to different hotels and we got to meet a lot of children. Children are my passion. And when I see them, you know, I see the future. Their eyes are bright. They're ready to learn. They're giving of themselves, you know, and they're in a situation, but they're happy, you know, and a lot of times we complain. We should not complain, you know, but this experience here, I encourage anyone, call Bomani, you know, it's worthwhile. Come back, connect to your roots here in Africa. There is so much. When you see the food, you know, like, oh my God, there was a saying that the tour guide said, and I remember my grandmother used to tell me that it was, you don't sweep at night. So I remember my grandmother in Dominica used to tell me that all the time. And like when you come home late at night, like midnight, you always walk into your house backwards. Because you don't want no evil spirits to come in with you.
Okay.
So, you know, all these things, and I'm saying, where did my elders and my ancestors got all this from? They got it right here. So this tour is worthwhile. It helps you to connect. You know, it helps you to bring, to bond, you know, to bridge everyone together. And you know, yesterday when I went to the fort, it was kind of emotional for me to just...
Which of the dungeon did you go? That one right there?
Yes.
You gonna point it?
Yes, at the end right over there. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, and you saw, like, you know, the narrow halls that these people had to go through. We had to go through, our ancestors. And it brought tears to my eyes. And it was very hot, and I was hot. So could you imagine, like 400 people in just this little tiny room, what the temperature was like. And they were surrounded with all these pieces and so many things, so much deplorable conditions. So that brought change within myself, and I connected, you know, to just understand my history. So I'm urging you guys to come, book that tour for May 2017 and October 2017, okay? Because it's worth it, you know? Stop buying the Michael Jordans, the Nikes and all of that, and invest it into Africa.
Perfect, perfect. Right, family? You heard it for yourself. You better make that trip.